Hey there. Ever wish you had a quick way to peek inside your body and know how everything's doing? Like a secret report card for your health.
Like a dashboard for your insides.
Exactly. Well, today we're doing a deep dive into a super important test that does kind of just that. It's called a full blood count, or FBC.
That's right.
We're focusing on how it helps people, especially in communities like Oswestry.
Yeah, and we're drawing on insights from Blood Test UK today. Our aim is really to get a quick handle on how this test gives you, more power over your health.
Power, I like that.
It's described as a crucial diagnostic examination. Sounds formal, but it really just means it's a key test.
Okay, so break it down for us. What exactly is a full blood count?
Imagine your blood as this busy team inside you, really complex.
What team? Okay.
And this test, the FBC, it basically checks the main players on that team. You've got your red blood cells.
Those are the oxygen carriers, right? Like tiny delivery trucks?
Exactly. Carrying the oxygen. It looks at them, the hemoglobin inside them. That's the actual protein grabbing the oxygen, and hematocrit too.
Hematocrit.
Yeah, just the percentage, like how much of your blood is actually made up of these red cells.
Gotcha. And the other players?
Then you have your white blood cells. These are your body's germ fighters, your immune system soldiers. The test even breaks down the different types of white cells.
Like specialists.
Sort of, yeah. Like neutrophils, lymphocytes. They each have a specific job fighting off different kinds of things. And finally, platelets.
Platelets. They stop you from bleeding too much when you get a cut.
Precisely. They help your blood clot.
Yeah.
So understanding these three main parts.
Red cells, white cells, platelets.
It tells us a lot about really big things, like how well your oxygen transport is working, which affects your energy levels, and how strong your immune function is.
Wow. Okay, so it's giving you a really good overview.
A very useful snapshot.
So let's talk benefits. Why is this test so powerful, especially, you mentioned, for local places like Oswestry?
Well, one of the biggest things is it's like an early warning system.
An early warning? How so?
It helps doctors spot potential problems really fast. Things like anemia.
Which can make you feel super tired, right?
Exactly. And different types of anemia, too.
Yeah.
Like, is it low iron affecting the red cell size? Or maybe a vitamin deficiency? The tests can give clues.
Yep.
Or it might flag up an infection brewing, maybe show inflammation somewhere in the body, often before you feel really sick. The source we looked at, Blood Test UK, calls this timely interventions.
Timely intervention, so catching things early.
Which honestly saves lives. It lets doctors treat issues quickly before they become much bigger deals. It really enhances your overall health monitoring, helps track things over time.
That makes sense. And I read something interesting. It can even save money.
Absolutely. Think about it. Catching a small issue early often means simpler treatment. Maybe just dietary changes or a short course of medicine.
Instead of like major procedures later on.
Exactly. So yeah, it's definitely a cost-effective strategy for staying healthy in the long run.
And for people listening, maybe in or near Oswestry, is it easy to get this test done?
Oh, very straightforward.
Yeah.
You can usually get it arranged through places like Oswestry Community Hospital, or there are private clinics in town too. It's quite accessible.
That's really good to know. Do you have any examples of how it's helped people there?
Yeah, the source mentioned a couple of anonymized examples, like case studies. There was Sarah, a runner, feeling unusually tired. Her FBC showed some subtle changes, pointing towards early iron deficiency. Caught it early, she adjusted her diet, maybe took a supplement, and got her energy back. Avoided getting really run down.
Simple fix because they caught it early.
Right. Or another one, David. His FBC showed high neutrophils, a type of white blood cell.
The germ fighters.
Yeah, that strongly suggested a bacterial infection. So the doctors knew to give him the right antibiotic straight away, probably preventing a longer, nastier illness. These little case studies really show its value.
That really brings it home. So what about preparing for the test? Is it a hassle?
Good news there, usually no special prep needed. Most of the time, you don't need to fast, like skip breakfast or anything.
Oh, that's convenient.
It is. But, always best to just double check with your doctor beforehand, just in case they have specific instructions for you. The test itself is just a quick, simple blood draw, usually from your arm.
Okay. And what if the results come back? Not quite normal. Should people panic?
Definitely not panic. It's really important to understand that normal is based on general reference ranges. Statistical averages, really.
So not a hard and fast rule.
Not at all. Your doctor is the key here. They'll look at your specific numbers, sure, but they'll interpret them in the context of you, your health history, your lifestyle, any symptoms you have.
Right, it's the whole picture.
Exactly. It's about understanding what the numbers mean for you and deciding on the right next steps together. It's not just about one number being slightly outside a range.
That's reassuring. So wrapping up then, this simple full blood count test.
Readily available in places like Oswestry.
It's actually a really powerful yet accessible tool for your health.
It absolutely is. It helps you understand what's going on inside, helps you stay healthy, and lets you make, really informed choices about your well-being.
So here's a thought for everyone listening. How might knowing more about your own blood team, as you called it, give you a kind of superpower for your health journey?
Something to think about.
Definitely. And if you want more info, websites like Blood Test UK have lots of useful health resources.